Hey everybody, this is TechX and today this video is going to be special for you because in this video I will be going to share with you a complete roadmap of your Android 12 and your latest One UI and all the things about this, which means which device these updates going to roll out this year. And this year it's going to be a big fun because our device is going to be amazingly updated, and I'm just waiting for all the updates, and I will be informing you continuously whatever they will show. So today let's start the video. So here I want to share that One UI is your upcoming Samsung software update, which will be based on Android 12, which means your device should have actually Android 11 right now. Then it will be getting your Android 12, because if you are Android 10 then it is hard to get. And let's come further. And One UI 4.0 have your drastic changes with amazing features, looks, designs, features, and everything will be changed. So your device must have probably currently have running on your 3.5 or 3.1 UI whatever, because at last this was your recent One UI updates as I noticed. So your latest One UI will be 4.0, and it will be completely based on your Android 12 and so let's discuss a bit. And today I will be showing you all the devices which are getting this update this year, and all the series of Samsung. So let's start first with your Samsung Galaxy S series. So in a Galaxy S series, your update will be like first your Galaxy S21 Ultra, Galaxy S21 Plus, Galaxy S21, Galaxy S20 Ultra, Galaxy S20 Plus, Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 FE, Galaxy S10, that is a 5G, and next your Galaxy S10 Plus, okay, and Galaxy S10e and Galaxy S10 Lite. So this was your Galaxy S series, which will be getting Android 12 and 4.0 update in this year. Most probably full chances are there. And let's come to your Galaxy Note series, which is kind of premium series from Samsung. And let's come on this. And first is your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Galaxy Note 20, Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So I think this will be all the versions, like if you have 10, and if you have their further modified versions like 10 Plus, 10 Lite, then all you will getting the 4.0 and Android 12. So let's come to your Galaxy Z series. And in Galaxy Z series, phones are Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, that was your recent year launch. Then your Galaxy Fold and your Galaxy Z Flip. Okay, so this was the Z series. And let's come to our favorite series, that is your A series, which I have, and it's most chances that you also have A series, and it's mine favorite. So let's come to your A series, and it is your Galaxy A02, Galaxy A02s, and Galaxy A12, Galaxy A32, Galaxy A42, Galaxy A52, Galaxy A72, Galaxy A95G, Galaxy A01, Galaxy A11, Galaxy A21, A21s, Galaxy A31, that is mine phone, and I love to see update. And next your Galaxy A41, Galaxy A51, that is a 5G, and your Galaxy A71, that is a 5G, Galaxy A Quantum, and Galaxy Quantum 2. So this was your A series, and let's come to your Galaxy M series. So in Galaxy M series, your first device is your Galaxy M02, Galaxy M02s, Galaxy M12, Galaxy M42 5G, Galaxy M62, Galaxy M21 final update, Galaxy M21s, Galaxy M31, Galaxy M31 Prime Edition, Galaxy M31s, Galaxy M51. And so this was the whole of your Galaxy M series. And let's come to your F series, and there are bit more series from Samsung. And here in F series there are 4 only, that is your Galaxy F02s, Galaxy F12, Galaxy F41 and Galaxy F62. And let's come to your Galaxy X cover series, that is a Galaxy X cover Pro, Galaxy S cover Pro and Galaxy S cover 5. And let's come to this is your final section, that is your Galaxy Tab series. So in this your update is like Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, Galaxy Tab S7, Galaxy Tab S6 5G, Galaxy Tab S6, Tab S6 Lite, Galaxy Tab A8.4, Galaxy Tab A7 and Galaxy Tab Active 3. So this was the whole your devices. I discussed all the devices which are getting your update of your Android 12 and 4.0, and there are some more devices which they will add in upcoming times. So whatever, I will inform you. And so in this video we are going to discuss a bit more that these are your expected devices to receive your One UI 4.0 update, and this is from your an amazing verified site from which I digged all the resources from there, and they are trustable. So I just took information from there, and I'm showing you. So whatever they had put a line in their article that if there will be any new update, we will keep update your article. So whatever, if they will update, I will also make another video, kind of it's part 2, and all the strategies how to download, and that's our usual, and that's totally our usual, that I will make all the things about every update, whether it's your Android 12 or not, or whether it's your regular update or whatever. So this is the complete roadmap to your One UI 4.0. that is really amazing, and as mine title, I covered all the phones which are getting this update, and I will be keep making videos on this topic, that is your One UI 4.0 and Android 12 update. So for not missing any update, you must have subscribed to our channel and press red bell icon too. So this was the whole video of mine, your all the devices which are getting update. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, just share with your friends that this video will help them, that this and this are getting update and all the things. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you like this video, share with your friends and family, and I will be seeing you in next amazing updates and unboxings. And so for now, bye bye, see you in next video.